Hey everybody. So I've gotten quite a few questions on exactly how to use the online version of the Harmonic Scanner through iMarketsLive. So I decided to just make a quick video to save time with letting people know how to get to the scanner and exactly what you should be looking for. So first thing is you're going to want to go online to find the scanner. That website is www.4xsignalslive.net. www.4xsignalslive.net. You're going to go there and it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to sign into the web scanner. So the username and the password should be your username and password that you use for iMarketsLive. Mine is already plugged in there. And then you're going to press log in. And the web scanner is going to appear. Okay, so this web scanner is going to be used. You can use it for the 15-minute time frame, the H1, H4, and D1 time frame. So what you're going to be looking for, each currency pair is obviously going to contain two currencies. So if you look right here, you'll see that this particular chart is aligned with GBP, AUD, which is the Great Britain pound, and the Australian dollar. You're looking at the H1 time frame, which simply means that each one of these candlesticks has occurred over a 1 hour time period. The harmonic pattern is a shark, and it tells you the open and the close of the day, the high and the low. Okay, so now this is what you really need to know over here. This is what sets the harmonic scanner apart. So if you look over here, for each pattern, you're going to have an entry point or an entry range, a take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and a stop loss. So this is really one of the things that's going to set you apart and sets the scanner apart, because it removes all the guesswork in trying to figure out what you should be doing. If not for the harmonic scanner, if you were to pull up a chart, all you would see would be a graph that would look similar to this, full of candlesticks, and you would have to figure out exactly what to do. But this is going to tell you the entry point. So in this particular example, it gives you an entry range. So the entry range for this signal is between 1.78086 and 1.77205. So that's what you're looking at there. So those are the entry points that you're going to use in order to jump into the trade. These are the points in which you actually want to enter the trade. If the trade is not currently at that point, then you can put in a pending order to enter between these 2 points. Okay, because the take profit is above the entry point, then this lets you know that you're going to buy, because we're wanting the price point to go up in order to get to the take profit. So this would be a buy. If the take profit was below the entry point, then it would be a sell. And I'll find an example of that. Also, the stop loss point, which is in place to keep you from losing all your money if this trade goes in the opposite direction. The stop loss point is going to be 1.76567. So those are the numbers that you're simply plugging into your brokerage app, whether it's the MetaTrader 4 platform or whatever platform you're using. Those are the numbers you're plugging in. The entry point, the take profit. Now, take profit 1 is always going to be your most conservative take profit. Take profit 2 is going to be moderately conservative. And then take profit 3 is going to be the highest level of risk in terms of a take profit. So 1 is always the most conservative all the way to the least conservative. The rest of the graph over here just shows you the harmonic pattern. And this shape just simply, I don't know if you guys can see my cursor here, but this shark shape just simply highlights what's right here, the shark shape. Now, if you're asking, okay, so how do I get a new scan, or how do I go and find another scan? So I've plugged in the points from this one and I want to go and find another scan. So you would simply go to scan for H1, H4, and D1, and then you'll see the menu drops down there. It drops down. So the first signal we were in was GBP AUD. You can choose the next one, GBP CAD. On the H1 time frame, click OK. A new pattern comes into play, and the information is there for that. Now, there are some instances where you will go here to scan for the next scan and nothing pops up. Let me see if I can find one here where nothing pops up. Okay, let me go down to one of these older ones here. Okay. There are some instances where you'll go in here and nothing will pop up. And in that case, that means that that scan has already expired. So it's no longer good. So you don't even have to worry about it. Just skip over and move on to the next one. Now the scanner is always going to be in, okay, so this is a great example. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so the scanner is always going to be in real time. Now, because the market is closed right now, it actually says closed. So the scanner is not updating right now because the market is closed. So there are no new signals. There's nothing for the scanner to scan to find the most profitable signals. But if the market was open, then right here, it would show you real time so that everything you're looking at is current. Okay. Those are the basics of the scanner. Now, once you get a little bit more advanced and you want to start using some of the analysis tools in order to draw trend lines and all of that, then that's automatically plugged into this platform. So if that's something that you're interested in, then you already have that built into the platform. Whereas before you would kind of have to go somewhere else in order to get that information and plug it in here. But those are the basics of the scanner. So just remember, in order to get new scans, you're going to click right here. And then in order to find the information that you're going to enter into your trades, you're going to find that right down here. Your take profit, your entry point, your take profit, your entry points, and your stop losses are right there. All right, happy trading.